Well, hey, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. And if this is your first time here, welcome to our channel where it's me and my curly girls. Well, it's My Curly Girls and Me, but it's me and my curly girls. You get what I'm saying. So anyway, today I'm showing you how I refresh my toddler's hair. Usually I just take her hair down. Not every single day, but just when I feel like it needs some moisture, and sometimes she doesn't need any product reapplied to her hair, and sometimes she do, and I'll just take some of the moisturizer, like the Reagan Sanai moisturizing leave-in conditioner, or whatever it is that I styled her hair with, that I use for moisture when I styled her hair, and just reapply that. Sometimes I will just spray it a little bit with some water. It just depends on how it feels. And what I'm doing here with her baby hairs, as I was doing in the previous clip, is I like to separate her baby hairs from the rest of her hair, because it's going to end up separating itself anyway. And so that way I can be extra careful, because you know the baby hairs are all sensitive and stuff. So yeah, we have to be very delicate with it. So I just go ahead when I'm restyling her hair and when I'm doing her hair. Sometimes, for the most part, I like to do that. I like to just go ahead and slick the baby hairs out. And as you can see, I also like to do it around the perimeter and the back of her hair. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. If you didn't like it, just leave. Bye. And don't be shy. Say hi down below and leave us some suggestions for future videos. Until next time, Lord say the same. We'll see you in the next one. And keep it curly.